tear became the sea, every whisper carried me. Through the dark I tried to see who I was and who I'd be. Oh, the fate of Ophelia, drowned in her own devotion, lost in a tide of emotion. But I rose from the river's cry, with the storm still in my eyes. No prince, no fairy tale ending, just the truth and my heart mending. I was the girl who fell apart. Now I paint my pain as art.